Okay guys, so we are currently trying to purchase this fifth wheel. It's a Reflection by Grand Design. It's got the Kurt hitch. It's prepped for a generator. It's got the batteries and the propane are out of it because we're at a camper show. They don't want bombs and all that in there, but it's got the pass-through storage here. Got an outlet, it's got the lights, got the battery disconnect up there, your crank for your slide out. All the other connections are on the other side. You have the magnetic doors, so that's pretty great. What else? You got the Lippert door. It's a 278BH. It's a 150 series. It's actually pretty light. It has a little outdoor kitchen, a little fridge, a Gatorade. We got a little kitchen out here, which is kind of nice. Outdoor kitchen. It does have Goodyear tires. It's got the MORryde suspension, which is great. You have, which is fantastic for Lizzie, you have this pass-through here. There's underneath storage under here, which is fantastic. It has, you got a port here, drinking water port. For a spray port, you've got a trailer hitch. They don't recommend that you tow like a car or anything, but it does have a hitch if you want to do like a bike rack or something. All the windows for the most part open. I like the colors. Over here, you can see it's got one slide. Now, it does have the Insta-Hot hot water heater. Got the furnace. So whenever we want to take a shower, we will have hot water, constant hot water. Here's your water hookups. Here's your hose. It goes here if you want to hose off the dog or your feet or something. It's got all the connections, your pulls for your gray and black. It's got the auto leveling, the Lippert auto leveling, which is fantastic. It's got, it's where the propane goes, so it'll have two 30-pound propane tanks. It's a good looking rig. It's a good looking rig. So I'll take you guys in here. Here's where the batteries hook up. It has solar. It's got a 200-watt solar on the roof. It's got two air conditioners in it. Again, it's a 278BH. It is a 2022. Let's step up here. So here's kind of the layout. Hey, Boo. So you have a love seat here. You got the banquette over here. Your sound system, AM, FM disc, Bluetooth, all of that. You have speakers outside and inside. TV here. You got 6 drawers here. You got the 3-burner stove, which is nice. You've got the microwave, full-size microwave. Lots of storage everywhere, which is nice. You have a pretty large fridge and freezer. It is 12 volt, so it doesn't run off of propane, but it's here. Here's your freezer. It does have tire links for the tire pressure monitoring off your phone. This would be, actually I'll show you this. So you got extra counter space there. This will be Lizzie's area. Got a max air fan up there, AC, all the things, USB jacks. You got another here, another living area down here. Here I think is where we're gonna put a hole for the kitty litter for her cats. She's got a wardrobe here, a couple drawers she can use. Let me turn around. Hi, Boo.
Hey, Boo.
You got the really nice woodworking all throughout. I'm doing my best not to turn the phone so I make everybody sick. It is a Grand Design, which is great. It comes with, show you here, all of the things. So you have a 3-year structural warranty, the MORryde Series 3000 suspension system. You have more outlets. It's prepped for the Winegard 360 antenna Wi-Fi. It is 4-season ready. It's got fully laminated walls, double insulated floors, double insulated roof, double insulated front cap, insulated gooseneck, heavy duty insulated baggage doors, and thermatically controlled 12-volt heat tank pads, which is great. It's got the Titan seal. It has a lifetime warranty on the roof. And as long as once a year you have them come out or you go to them and they check all the caulking and whatnot, just do a caulking inspection. It's got the universal docking station, got the pass-through, the one-touch leveling, roof-mounted solar prep, 2-inch hitch, Goodyear tires. This folds down, makes a bed. This pulls out and makes a bed. You have storage up here. Hey, boo. You have over here, these are your controls. So the awning it's an electronic awning. You can check all your tanks and stuff. Ceiling lights, tank heaters, which is great. We've already run into that with Dad's camper. The water pump, awning lights, porch lights, step lights, the slide controls is right here. This is for your max air fan. This is for your thermostat. Also, coming up here, you got the little lights down here. This is the bathroom. You got a sink, got a lot of storage up here. You have the toilet, and it's actually comfortable. You've got more storage. You have the shower, which also has these to put things in, which is nice. I actually fit in the shower, which is great. You've got some drawers. There's your lights. Actually, go ahead. Excuse me. So you go around, you got max air fan, which is great. Give me 1 second, guys.
That's like the bedroom we used to have.
Yeah. So you have all of that. The gas water heater right here, controlling that. Then, bedroom. Love the little lights on the sides. Those are super cute. You got USBs up here. You've got all this storage up here. You got your own air conditioner back here. You do have under bed storage, which is fantastic. You've got your own thermostat right there. Then you have this guy, which is great. I love the light for hanging all your stuff. You've got 4 drawers here. You've got a drawer on each side. And yeah, so right now we're trying to buy this. We're waiting to hear back. The price of this is actually fantastic. It's $55,995. And for a brand new camper, that's a 5th wheel. It's 32 foot long. So it's not as big as what we're looking at 44 foot long campers. So it's 32 foot and it's 8,700 pounds dry weight. So it's extremely light for a 5th wheel. And you know, this is what we got. We think this will work pretty good for us. And again, there she is. Hopefully we'll know something soon. We did ask for a couple add-ons. We asked for a slide topper for the slide. And then the max air fan covers, there's 3 of them, to make sure that rain doesn't get in and whatnot. And then also for Dad's truck, a nice 5th wheel hitch installed and whatnot so that we can actually pull this thing. But not bad. It's a really pretty unit. We like it a lot. We think it'll do exactly what we need it to do. And I'm gonna leave you guys with that. But love you guys, and we'll see you when we see you.